10th Standard Political Science, Unit 1, The Problems of India and Their Solutions. Dear students, you have already seen the video of Social Science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First question: what is unemployment? What are the reasons for unemployment? Unemployment is a situation where a person does not find work in accordance to his capacity or qualification. The reasons for unemployment: huge population, improved technology, shortage of natural resources, over dependency of agriculture, ruined cottage industries, and lack of skill-based education. These are all the reasons for unemployment. Question number 2. What is corruption? What are the various forms of corruption? Answer is: corruption means offering bribe and following any other illegal means to achieve some illegal benefits. The various forms of corruption are bribery, nepotism, caste favoritism, intentional slowdown of the work. Third question: what are the factors involved in a network of corruption? The factors involved in a network of corruption are tax evasion, illegal holding, smuggling, economic offences, cheating, violation of international exchange, employment cheating. These are all the factors involved in a network of corruption. Question number 4. How can we root out corruption? Strong public ethics and morality, personal commitment, political will, public support, ethical political leadership, good officers, politically aware and educated public. Lokpal and Lokayukta, education institutions, by installing CCTV cameras in government offices, increasing efficiency of government, awarding harsh punishment for corrupt officials, increasing the number of courts and judges. Question number 5. What measures are suggested to eradicate communalism? Answer is: uniform civil code, equality among all the citizens, supporting secular values in the society, transcending narrow thoughts in favor of national interests. Attempts should be made to foster the faith of all people, develop healthy national thoughts. The citizens should commit themselves for a secular society. These are all the measures suggested to eradicate communalism. Sixth question. Peace and love are greater than violence and hate. Justify. A look into history shows that a very little has been achieved by violent activities like terrorism. At the same time, history has been made by employing truth, non-violence and love. The killing of people like Gandhiji, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi did not erase their efforts to achieve progress through peace. Whereas actions of Buddha, Mahavira and others have given new light, new paths and new life to the people all over the world. Hence, peace and love are greater than violence and hate.